I'm sorry, I would like you to forgive me. I now.
I think I've gotten the wheat that I wanted to get. Yeah, I wanted to be slim, right? Yo man, here we are, slimming down, baby. Slimming down, baby. Slimming down, baby. Though I'm not there yet. You get it? I want to be like a size 8. Until I get to size 8, no satisfaction. Yeah? Hey, slimming down. What is it? Blah, 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 blah. 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 Brianko. Even the little girl is laughing. Like, what's this woman saying? You're not speaking the language correctly. I'm still working on my stomach. That's what I'm still working on. As for other parts of my body, I'm gradually getting there. My stomach and my arm is giving me hope that with more effort to go, because my instructor is taking it one step at a time. When you come, let's go inside. It's terrible. I have tried every style I could to see how I can pack it the right way for it to look nice. No way. No way. I have someone that does my hair, but for whatever reason, I didn't want to go far this time. Like, okay, because it's been raining, and I said, okay, let me just do my hair around my area, and this is what I'm getting. I showed them the hairstyle though, and before I knew it, this girl has already cut the attachments. Now I go home, I don't know what to do with the hair. It's looking like this, right? Because I packed it. I'm trying to style it. No style is even holding waters. This I cannot use it. Maybe tomorrow I will take it down and do something else. That's if I have time. I'm going to be officially coming to the end of daily posting. My God, I'm not the only one with responsibilities. I'm tired. Like, I've been trying my best to grow my channel, guys. It's as if it's not working. So I know the type of videos to do on my channel that people want to see, but they're expensive. But I'm just going to try my best and take it, be resting, you know. I will do what I can and leave the rest to God. Seriously. But this my hair is sad. Oh. Just imagine a hairstyle on my head like a teenager. Even my Antonia will not choose this one. Anyone want me? I'm in San Francisco, Peru, Para. I'm loose. I'm really sad to use this hair to film this video. See, this is what I wanted it to be, at least like this. But the lady claimed to be too good, so I didn't want her to think I'm troublesome. I eventually allowed her. So I'm about to film a prank video running up how are my lashes. I think they are too large, they are too long, but I like it. I'm about to prank you guys for the very first time. Of course, before you see this vlog, that prank video would have been up. Please make sure you see that video, okay? Make sure you see it. Okay, let's go. Wendy, please step down. I just finished the second video. I have been doing amazing. I cannot stop celebrating the last video for the month of August. Charlie, I have really worked hard. So I want to go into the kitchen. Today is Sunday, by the way. Happy Sunday. Hi guys, welcome back again to another Sunday vlog. Yay. Okay, let me show you guys my sitting area, my filming area. I've not shown you guys that part of me since since I bought these things and I was bragging, I remember bragging in one of my vlogs that I have bought some filming setup, some backdrop things. Let me show you guys. Look at my collections. Come to this side.
Okay.
Do you want to sit?
Yes.
Should I give you?
No.
Okay, you want to sit there?
Yes.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Good. This is the white candle. This one is the pink one, and I love it.
And
It looks like red.
White one.
It looks like red, eh? It's pink. Look at it. But when it's on like this, it kind of gives you that red vibe. And it smells really good. Oh, okay, let me see the white one, please. This, I don't like this much. I don't like this one as much as I like the pink one, but it smells so good as well. These candles, I will tell you how much. I bought this one for how much?
Maybe.
10 cedis each at China Mall. Praise.
Bless.
Look at this one. You know, go church. You that used to condemn me for not going to church. Let me put them off because I'm done using it. Praise. Don't you have breeze? Yay! Okay, let's keep that aside. Look at my flowers. I love this one. Yeah,
I love
it.
Roses. I love
This one, I bought this one for how much? I think
Look,
this one is 20
guys.
something cities or so. 24 cities for this one, which I consider the price to be really
Look
good.
at the flowers.
Wait, I'm going to put this back before Wendy lay hand on it. See this one? I bought this one for 17 cedi at China Mall. The price is not here again.
It's expensive.
No. Love it. Yeah. So this one is knitted like this, and because it will not break, so I said, okay, let's start with this so that I can use it to train Wendy on how to mind our business. So I bought that one, and I bought this flower here, 20 or 20 something cedi.
Look at the price.
It's not the price, that's not the price tag. I bought this one for I think 19 cedi or so. I said, okay, let's use it. Train her mind so she can know that we have a right to have flowers in this house. So now that I'm done filming, I'm putting this one here at this corner. Put this one here. But she's not supposed to touch it. I want to put it here, this place, but I've not been able to. So I'm just going to leave that one. I will not bake anything today. I do not have eggs in the house, so there will be no pancake today. We're going to eat yam and tilapia. I bought the tilapia since yesterday, and I had them man-rated and had in the fridge. So what I'll do now is, now that I'm done filming, I'll bring it out and make yam. I'll show you guys, okay? Don't go nowhere, okay? You are in a long Sunday vlog. In place of that pancake, this is what we are having for lunch today, all of us. Except, of course, I cannot speak for Wendy because of the pepper.
Yeah.
Yo, let me close the door.
Каждый день идем и чего-то ждем, ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Есть много слов пустых, а что слышишь ты?
So the yam is already peeled like this.
Смотрю я лишь вперед, мечта меня ведет. Иду не просто так, и мне не нужен знак. Слышу вновь и вновь, правит всем любовь. Если хочешь ты, напевай со мной. Знаем мы с тобой, правит всем любовь. Давай со мной шагай, в глазах ты прочитай. Не бойся, я стою и за руку держу. Мы вместе все
guys to get confused. Oh, I thought you're making yam. So what is this juice for? Okay, this one is it's for dinner. This is what I'm going to have for dinner, because I'm trying my best to not eat any food once it's 7 o'clock. But because I used to eat at about that time or even beyond that time before now, so my body is used to eating. So when I don't eat, I get really hungry at night and I have this temptation to just go eat this food already. So with this, when I feel so hungry, I'll just grab the bottle and drink up, and then before you know it, it's already bedtime. So that's it. That's how I avoid eating dinner, so that my tummy can, work for me. So, like I showed you guys, carrots, watermelon, pineapple, mint leaf, and ginger. So I just blend all of that together and made what you saw. So I'm going to have that in the fridge, and just, of course, the guests will not allow me to drink, especially Antonia and Praise. So I just have to give them their own share, and then while we wait for the yam to be fully baked, I just want the yam to be done differently. I am not a big fan of yam, so if I must eat yam, it has to be done in a very unique way. It's either you roast it or maybe sometime you fry it. So today I don't want all of the both. Of course, I can't roast yam here because there's no how I can do it. So, but then I can get something close to roasting. And so I said, okay, let's try and use the microwave, the oven, to see how we can bake the yam, just make it look like this. I had bought those fishes the previous day, guys, because the last time I went there, I bought one big one for 20 cedis. It was fun. I said, okay, going back, she did not have the big one, and I like to buy something from the same people. Oh my God. So I said, okay, she said these ones are 10 cedis. I said, okay. After all, I already budgeted 20 cedis for the fish. So that was how I ended up buying these two for 20 cedis. Had them marinated, like I said, and now we're having the fun of our lives. These girls are happy, seriously, and that is what is important to me, or for me rather. Yeah, guys, that is how we call it a goodbye for the month of August. So the only time you're going to see a video here after this one, of course, that today is the last day. It's the last day of the month of August 2022. So I am just going to, sit down and wait for rewards from YouTube. And I hope they do reward me anyways. Of course, we do have an idea of what to expect as creatives before the month actually ends. Before your paycheck gets to you, you already know what you're expecting. So, yeah. But hopefully I'm able to pay school fees by the grace of God.
It's time to go to the gym and fire everything I've eaten out of my system. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in September. Wish me a happy birthday down in the comment section and send my birthday gift to me. Love you. Bye.